Saturn's two largest moons are Titan and Rhea. Titan is the largest with a diameter of about 5,149 km and is known for its thick atmosphere and liquid methane lakes. Rhea is the second largest with a diameter of 1,527 km and is an icy, heavily created world. Saturn's rings are magnificent and complex system of billions of small particles orbiting the planet in a vast, thin, disk-like structure. They are made almost entirely of water ice with a small amount of rocky debris and dust. The ring particles range in size from microscopic dust-like grains of to chunks as large as mountains. The rings are organized into several named sections designated alphabetically based on their discovery, starting from the planet moving outwards. The D, C, B and A rings comprise the main ring system. Cassini division. This is the largest gap separating the A and B rings. It appears from the Earth as large dark void but contains some faint ring material. Titan, Saturn's largest moon, is the only moon in the solar system with a dense planet-like atmosphere and stable bodies of liquid on its surface. While incredibly cold, its unique Earth-like features and chemistry make it a key target for astrobiological research. Titan's atmosphere is denser than Earth's with a surface pressure about 50% higher than Earth's sea level, composed mainly of nitrogen 95%, methane and a trace amount of other hydrocarbons. It creates a thick orange haze that obscures the surface. Large bodies of liquid hydrocarbons are present primarily near Titan's poles. Thank you, my viewers.